Promoting a service or product online using lots of marketing methods is called digital marketing. Like traditional marketing on other platforms, digital marketing is also concerned with reaching the maximum amount of target consumers possible. These days, digital marketing is very popular as a career. A lot of young people are joining digital marketing courses to get a head start and have a solid base in the field. There are lots of benefits in starting a career in digital marketing. Some very good ones are included in this video. Attention please, before formally starting this video, in the next few seconds, you will know that my name is Imran and this channel is the right place for you to learn about digital marketing and earning online as an entrepreneur to grow and accelerate fast. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit bell icon to access all videos, updates and links in the description box below. Now back to the video. Number 1. High demand in the market. Future looks quite good for digital marketing. All sorts of businesses are trying to become prominent on the internet. More and more people around the world are learning to use smartphone and internet. With millions of users, India and China are the biggest market in the world. The interesting thing about this is that these numbers are only growing. Marketers are looking to target these users and the one predicted to add into the fold in order to boost their sales. Do product promotion. In order to expand into this territory, they will always be dependent on the expertise of digital marketing specialists. Facebook and Apple have already set up camps in different parts of the world and other big companies will continue to follow them. Number 2. Decent salaries. One of the biggest advantages of high demand in the industry is that people are ready to pay the professional well. Apart from that, digital marketing is a relatively new field, so there are not many professionals available for hiring to begin with. Big companies around the world are always on the lookout for good, fresh candidates all the time. In addition to the job, you can always do freelance work online to add extra income to your bank account. Number 3. Flexibility in work. Flexibility and ease of doing work on your own time make the digital marketing career a very attractive choice. It's up to you whether you want to work with a company as a full-time worker or with multiple clients at the same time as a freelancer. You will be able to work with digital marketing companies that allows employees to work with various businesses. If you take the time out to research more, you will also find companies which will to let you work from home too. A good internet connection will help you a lot to meet the requirement for such a job. Number 4. More career options. One of the best things about being a digital marketer is that you will not be stuck with just one kind of work. You can get access to a lot of different jobs within the industry like search engine marketer, SEO expert, social media marketing expert, digital marketing analyst, content creator, copywriter and many more jobs. An opportunity like working as a digital marketer will help you explore different kind of work within the world of marketing and you can capitalize on that by enrolling in different courses to strengthen your knowledge and skills. Therefore, digital marketing career opens endless opportunities for you as a professional. If you found this video useful, then good news is that you can check links of some more valuable videos in the description section and many more videos are in the pipeline. Hopefully you will remain connected with me and for that purpose subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I am also waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice time.